Okay, in this question, we will be solving for the average atomic mass unit of lithium with the given data here of the percent abundance and mass. So the average atomic mass unit of lithium is equals to the summation of the fractional abundance of each isotope times the atomic mass unit of each isotope. Substituting, we have 7.5% divided by 100% times the atomic mass unit of lithium 6 is 6.015.